So first we'll see in detail by the pollination by wind. So if you take the abiotic factor, it is the most common abiotic agent which brings about pollination, right? So pollination by wind is also called anemophily, and it is the most common abiotic agent. So what are the features of the wind pollinated flowers? That is, they will have a single ovule. If you take the ovary of these flowers, they will have a single ovule in each ovary. And numerous flowers, they are packed into one inflorescence. So many flowers will be packed to form an inflorescence in the case of wind pollination, right? So example is the corn cob. Here the tassels. So what is a tassel? It is a male inflorescence in some of the plants, particularly in corn, they are called the tassels, right? The tassels are the stigma and style which wave in the wind. So here if you see the concave, they will wave in the wind to trap the pollen grains. So here the pollination is happening by wind, right? So this is a specific feature that they wave in the wind to trap the pollen grains. So wind pollination is quite common in grasses.